When people discuss DUIs, the assumption is that alcohol or illegal drugs are responsible, but there are many cases where one can be charged for DUI simply for taking lawfully prescribed drugs. Hi, I'm attorney James Doerr of Lavelle Law, and I want to make sure you're informed of the risks when you need to take prescribed medication. If you regularly take prescription drugs, you need to be especially cautious of the fact that you may be arrested for a DUI if your medication impairs your ability to drive. The standard is no different than an alcohol-based DUI. The state must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that at the time you were in physical control of a motor vehicle, your mental or physical faculties were so impaired as to reduce your ability to think and act with ordinary care. In many DUI cases, the words of the driver can be the strongest evidence of a DUI. If stopped for any reason and mentioned to the officer that you take prescription drugs, that statement can be used against you. In DUI cases, impairment must be proven. This is why drivers are asked to take field sobriety tests. As an attorney with more than 2 decades of experience in defending DUI cases, I always advise that you refuse any field sobriety tests, whether or not you've been drinking or have taken any drugs. Field sobriety tests were formulated to aid the arresting officer in forming probable cause for an arrest. The arresting officer is the scorekeeper of these tests, and the pressure is on these officers to get drunk drivers off the road. In addition to the observations that the officer makes, evidence can include whatever you say to the officer when stopped. For that reason, among others, do not mention anything about prescription medication that you are taking, regardless of the reason you take it. Keep in mind that the punishment handed out by the courts is the same whether you've been drinking or you've taken your prescription drugs. If you have teenagers who take prescriptions, or perhaps elderly parents who are on medication and still drive, advise them to never freely offer that information during a traffic stop. To find out more about prescription drug DUIs, give me a call at 847-705-7555 or visit our website, lavellecriminallaw.com, for more information. Don't let your willingness to cooperate and be forthcoming work against you. If you need assistance in defending a DUI or any other criminal case, please give me a call.
To learn more about the services provided by attorney James Doerr, call Lavelle Law at 847-705-7555.